So this is a drain, my little river that comes down my deck here, and I've noticed this because I'm working from home now because of the coronavirus. I'm never usually home during this time of the day, and look at this. So a vortex, a vortex, is forming from the drain, and the sun is passing through it, and it looks like an eclipse. It looks like, you know, the moon directly, when it's directly perfectly in front of the sun. So it's like, yeah, there it goes. It just forms and it kind of snaps into formation, and then it kind of goes away. But sometimes it pops in super strong and clear, and I just thought that was pretty freaking cool. Come on back, vortex. Just gotta be patient. Oh, the wind's blowing now. Oh, that's cool. A little ripple. Ooh. And there it is. Wow. That's looks like space-time bending, the bending of space-time. Which is essentially, I guess, well, no. Alright, I'll shut the hell up. It's like a portal opening up or something. Okay, you guys ready to time travel? Here we go.